Look how much I know no matter cuss so much in bad word pound and go on the most way, I still come out with something good. So what the problem? If me I run joke with my youth, I tell him say belly big. You have sense, man. And why I testing in some big old sour people, you know? And the young people, you know, some old people, like, bro, would go on a church and love TikTok and love Facebook and then sitting there?
Sleep.
You want to sleep? Because you hear a comb. Big old people, if you go in a church and they upon TikTok and make young people like be a problem to you. Go on a church, man, and go pray to the Lord. Big up on yourself, yeah. Everybody where they are, just go and run up the life for you, yeah. Please and thanks. Yeah, man, big up on yourself.
Follow the page.
What you telling for the follow page? Oh, so everybody when new, you just follow, yeah?
Everybody new follow the page.
Yes, tell them.
Everybody new follow the page.
Good. You know what that sense? How much sense you have?
Big one.
Big sense you have?
Big one.
No, you're not in a baby sense. No, you're not in a baby sense. You can't trick me.
Boy sense.
No, you don't have no baby sense. You're not no form of baby sense. No, you're not a boy sense neither.
Boy, I see my boyfriend.
Boy. Come. Wallace.
My boyfriend?
Who teach you that song there?
Yesterday, the panel for your phone yesterday.
It depend on my phone yesterday I play.
Yeah.
Oh. And you hear it and you feel like you sing it.
Yeah.
Look for me when I talk to you.
Yeah.
Look here now. Look here. You know why you sing that song, them will thump out your teeth, them out here, yeah? Good.
I got to sing this song.
Sing with song. If you want ramp, if you want...
My boyfriend. I see my boyfriend. My boyfriend. I see my boyfriend. My boyfriend. I see my boyfriend.
Listen.
My boyfriend. I see my boyfriend. My boyfriend. I see my boyfriend. My boyfriend. I see my boyfriend. My boyfriend.
You know what? Better be just the one that fall up the pit there.
Daddy, I the dog.
The dog make your phone drop, yeah. A wicked dog, that sodomite dog, that man.
Yeah.
Give me bead. Where you learn at school? Friday. Bead.
Me.
Sing Jesus love me for me.
Listen.
Sing Jesus love me.
Listen. Amen. Good day, teacher. Good day, classmate.
What teacher said to you at school?
Yesterday we taking food.
You get food at school?
Yeah.
You love free food?
A porridge.
Porridge you get? Every day?
Yeah.
Oh God.
I'm gonna get no food.
You don't get no food?
Yeah.
Porridge alone and get every day?
Yeah, I'm not done.
Oh God.
I'm gonna get the fish food.
And you not like that?
No.
Me I go around in school and tell her don't give me baby no porridge again, yeah? Tell her my baby don't drink porridge. Right?
My boyfriend.
Let's go, I say I don't want you to sing that song, I don't want to throw you off over this song.
My boyfriend.
What I say?
My boyfriend. I see.
Let off of me. Cause you love rum. I don't want to drop a conch in the head, you know. Hey, Jesse, can that lizard they come and put pan her? You head big head just above all the last kid then. What head? He said now I go nowhere. Whereas when me done me and Miss Jane alone I go and marry me. Cause I come like I come for torment my soul. Move on.
We feel that.
You feel that? I'm glad you feel it.
No.
Hold your head so. Tell me if you like them one day. If you ever run put me and tell me say you like them, I say I trim you in today. Just say you like them and see. Make sure and a ram put me. If you don't like them, I go cut off your ear. Hold your ear now. Bead. Hey, stop ram put me now, man, and hold your head, man. Sure.
You did a fly this morning.
Give me bead them.
No.
Say
I remember we are gonna put on pretty clothes and go to town when we're done.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
KFC and pizza.
We are gonna buy KFC.
KFC and pizza.
KFC and pizza. That's rich.
And when you come and be more want chicken, curry chicken patty and one cocoa bread.
You have money, Shana?
No.
You work?
Let me have the money.
So you want that money there when you have it in your jar?
No money.
Give me one last kit. Wait.
Where's the last kid there? Where's the last kid?
Hey, can a piece of tissue come, Maddie?
I have a go
Look on it now and tell me if you like them. And be honest and not put me. You like them? They look good? Hey, my boss are fired. Maybe I fired big. You like them? Hold up that look funny. You like them?
Yeah.
I will put some granny plot in the next side now.
Yeah, I don't like them.
You don't like them?
Yeah.
Oh, I put some granny plot in the next side now, yeah?
Granny plot?
Granny plot. You like granny plot?
No.
Just easy and just say yes.
What's the girl one?
Girl plot? So granny and a girl?
No.
Granny and granny? But you and a granny are hot girl. Alright, move on now. You're hot girl?
Yeah.
No.
Daddy, how are you?
You're not, girl.
Your nose big. Kitty sugar for your mouth. Yeah, that's what you know. You swallow your jaw, you taste your bugu. You taste your bugu. You taste your bugu.
No.
You hold your mouth bugu up now. Yeah.